Hello everyone and welcome to another video on the channel. Now in this video today we will be talking about a certain type of candle that you can use for reversals. Okay, so first of all we are going to delete these candles and we're going to explain it to you. So we're going to be talking about the pin bar. Okay, now the pin bar is a candle, basically the only candle that we use to catch reversals or look for entries as well. Okay, so we have two types of pin bars. We have a bearish pin bar, which would be something like this. Okay, and we have a bullish pin bar, which would be the exact opposite. Okay, so it would be something like this, and with a wick to the downside. Okay, so we have bearish pin bar and we have bullish pin bar. Okay, now these candles are very interesting when they are created near zones. Okay, so if we have, for example, a buy zone over here, okay, and we're seeing this, there's a pretty good chance that we could see a reversal. Okay, obviously this is not always. This is what we've been seeing quite a lot of times. Okay, nothing is always in the markets. And this would be the exact same thing for a sell zone. Okay, so if we have a sell zone and we see a bearish pin bar getting created, or even sometimes it goes outside the zone. Okay, sometimes it's like this, or sometimes it's completely in the zone with the wick just to the outside. This really, this really depends on the situation. But this bearish pin bar, when it's created at a sell zone, we've been seeing quite a lot of times that it has a nice reaction. Okay, and here basically the opposite. So to show you now on a real chart, we're going to be looking at some examples. Okay, so we're going to put these candles. Here we are. Okay, so we're going to be looking at a nice example. So we have a nice zone over here. Okay, and you can see price was in this zone quite a long time. But when this pin bar got created, and you should understand now that this is a bullish pin bar. Okay, this candle right here, this one. Okay, you can see that this is a bullish pin bar, and once this bullish pin bar got created at a zone, this is what happened. Okay, this is the reversal we were just talking about when we were drawing stuff. Okay, obviously this is not always, but you can see it many times over. Okay, here we have a sell zone, sell area over here. Okay, now this would be a sell example. You've probably already seen it. We have this one candle over here, a nice bearish pin bar, two actually bearish pin bars, created at the sell zone. What happened? A reversal happened. Okay, I'll show you another example. We have a smaller buy zone over here. Okay, what do we have? All of a sudden, you have this bullish pin bar getting created. What happens after? Reversal. Okay, we have another sell zone right here. Okay, what do we see? We see another bearish pin bar over here. Beautiful. Okay, and what happens? A little bit consolidation, ranging, and then a nice strong drop. Okay, so this is a candle to catch reversals. You can also use it for entries. It's a very interesting candle, and it's basically the only one we use. We don't usually use engulfings. We don't use, I don't even know what else there is. I guess there's so many different types. We only use this one, okay, to catch reversals and for entries and all that stuff. So now you get a nice example of reversals in buy zones, sell zones. So now what you can do is you can just look at the charts and see what happens when a bearish or bullish pin bar gets created, especially at a zone. Okay, sometimes it even makes a smaller reversal when there's no zone. That does happen as well. But when there is a zone and it creates a pin bar, that is pretty good sign that maybe a reversal could happen. Okay. So anyways, guys, this is just a short video talking about the pin bars. I hope you guys liked it. If you have any more questions about this, let us know in the comments down below. And yeah, if you have any other questions that you want to talk with us in private, you can always send us a message on Instagram and we'll be more than glad to help you out. So hope you enjoyed this and we'll see you in the next video.